Hello friends, today I'll be sharing with you how to create a Google Classroom, how to assign on the Google Classroom, and how to share the code of the classroom with the student in order to join the classroom. So let's start with it. On Google, just type the Google Classroom. Okay, click on the very first link and then go to the tab says go to the classroom. So in order to start your Google Classroom, you have to sign in with your Gmail account. So this is my Google Classroom. So with this plus button over here, I can either join the class or create the class. Since I am a teacher and I want to know how to create the class, so I will go for the create class. Click over here and continue. The classroom name would be maths, section for A, maths, and then create. So this is our classroom. This is the classroom code. You have to share this with your students so that they can join this classroom with you. Just copy it and share it with your classroom students. So here you can communicate with your class. This is for class work. Here you can create the assignment for the class, like assignment 1. I'm putting the instructions here. Okay, so I'm sharing it with the Maths A with all students, and I can change the point here. Let's just say I'm putting 10 here. You can also put the due date, like for tomorrow, and the timing is the noon. So you can assign by clicking here assign. So on this classroom you have created assignment which can be visible to the students. If you go here, you can view the assignment. So here you will see the how many students turn up their assignment.